Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your PayPal business account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or your phone. Type PayPal, comment to the address bar, and press enter. Check the web address carefully to make sure you are on the official PayPal website. Click the login button at the top right of the page. On the login screen, click on email or mobile number and tap the field. Enter the email address or mobile number linked to your PayPal business account. Click Next to continue to the password step. Tap the password field and enter your PayPal password. If you are in a public place, make sure no one can see your screen while typing. Click Login to access your account. If PayPal asks for a security check, choose the method you can access right now. Enter the one-time code sent to your phone, email, or Authenticator app. Click Confirm or Continue to finish the verification. If you have multiple PayPal profiles, select your business profile when prompted. After signing in, look for the dashboard to confirm you are in the business account view. If you do not see the business dashboard, click your profile icon or account menu. Select Switch to Business Account or choose the business name from the list. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Choose how you want to reset it and follow the on-screen instructions. Create a new strong password and save it in a secure password manager if possible. Go back to the login page and sign in again with the new password. If you cannot access your email or phone, click Having Trouble Logging In for more help. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using the available recovery options. For faster access on mobile, install the official PayPal app from your App Store. Open the app and tap Login to start the same sign-in process. Enable biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint only on your personal trusted device. After you are signed in, review recent activity to confirm everything looks normal. Always log out when you finish, especially on shared or public computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.